Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and press that notification button because you don't want to miss out on the great content that I'm making. And also, welcome to the lab. And if you're a supporter, welcome back to the lab. And I'm back again with another one. So what are we doing today? Today, we are baking plätzchens, aka keksen, aka cookies. So we will be doing this today and together. As you all know, it is now the festive season. It's Christmas time. We bake so much cookies so that we can share with our loved ones and one another. So just come and enjoy everything. I don't know if this culture is also in other countries, but in Germany normally they do that. They bake many types of cookies and people who were just enjoying the rest of the season. So I don't want to waste much of the time. Let's get into it. guys, thank you so much for watching up the video up until now. I'm very excited, and the cookies, the cakes, they taste so good. I really wish you're gonna try them. For the shape to come up more nicer, I think you need to add a little bit less, but we like them this big. And yeah, they taste so nice. I guarantee you they're so good, and please try them. And I just want to thank you for watching up until the end. As you know, I will always be bringing you many recipes for you to just try, and those are always good to, especially to take them with coffee and just enjoy something like this as a festive season. I know I had promised you 2 recipes today, but I couldn't make it because something came up along the way. So you know, I got you. I'll be back again with another one, and until then, good day to you all and goodbye.